in the treetop all the day long, hopping and a popping and a singing his
Aspaige? What's he looking for?
Could be anything.
It's me. I just knew it. They want me
Get
out.
a hold of yourself, Bella. Could be any of us.
Well, why is he just lying there? I can't bear it. It's like he's been delivered to my desk.
Maybe he's not sleeping at all. Maybe he's just
listening to us.
Recording everything.
Waiting for us to give it away.
Walk into his trap.
What do we do, sir?
Any sign of weakness now would be fatal.
We've got to stand up to him.
Let him see we've nothing to hide.
We've nothing to hide.
Neighbor Street, look to where the robin go, tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, rock, tweet, rockin' robin, tweet,
We'll go
rockin' robin, 'cause I'm really gonna rock tonight. Tweet, rock, every little swallow, every chickadee, every little
vital organ.
Everyone has them.
And everyone needs them.
It's a thriving industry.
Take that kidney, it can fetch anywhere between 10 and 30,000 pounds.
Really?
Good healthy kidney like that, it's a buck.
The beauty of the business is we can purchase them quite cheaply.
rockin' robin, 'cause I'm really gonna rock tonight. Tweet, rock, every little swallow, every chickadee,
Amazing,
every little
freedom. Look at me. I'm doing it right now. Look, I don't care. Am I dancing in time with the music? I don't need music. I'm happy. For the first time in my life, I'm happy. Am I happy because I'm dancing or dancing because I'm happy? I don't care. It doesn't matter.
He doesn't want to dance with me, sir.
Oh, very well then, Max, but you must allow me to lead.
I know, I could do the music for you two.
You don't want to dance with me?
I could do the music.
What's wrong with you? It's just a dance.
I just don't feel like dancing.
With me?
With anyone.
Now I feel silly.
The big black crow, flop of their wings, singing, go, bird, go, rockin' robin, tweet, tweet, rock, rock.
This is my desk. I recognise the handwriting, I'm sure of it.
What does it say?
I can't make the letters out. Who are they?
Oh, that's Mr. Rivendale, that's Mr. Bell, and Mr. Cram. They work here too.
What do I do here?
I don't know.
What do you do here?
I'm still trying to figure that out.
Maybe I'm a secretary.
Yes, that sounds right.
So I'm a secretary. How disappointing.
It's not so bad.
Maybe I'm a writer or a dancer and I only work part-time.
Why not?
I don't appear to be married or engaged. What do I look like? Am I pretty? Am I?
Yes.
I'm not, am I?
I think you're very pretty.
I was walking in a park. It was a beautiful summer's day. And I spotted some pretty flowers.
Were they bluebells?
I can't remember. Why?
No matter. Go on.
Well, I decided to pluck one. But as I reached out my hand to touch it, it vanished. I couldn't believe my eyes. So I decided to pluck another, but the same thing happened. A large crowd gathered around me. You over there, Paul, and you, Krem, and Mr. Bull. You were all demanding that I explain myself and put things straight. And all I could say was, I'm sure everything will be all right. These things have a way of sorting themselves out. Well, the mob were not satisfied with this at all, and they began to shout and stamp their feet. It was then my mother. She's a bit late.
A pretty little raven at the bird bandstand, taught them how to do the bop and it was grand.
What Mr. Bull is trying to say to you, Mr. Rivendale, is that you are fired.
Fired? Why?
Isn't that right, Mr. Bull?
Can't fire me. Well, can't you fire someone else? What about Mr. Krem? In '96, when business was slow, I donated one of my own kidneys to boost the monthly sales average. Can anyone here say as much? This place would fall apart without me.
Please, Mrs. I don't like it here. It's okay, Mr. Bull. We're leaving now.
Wait, I haven't finished.
Yes, you have, Mr. Rivendale. You're finished and replaced.
And the Oreo, he walks in the treetop all day long, hopping and a bopping and a singing his song. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go.